We're going to miss this. Hala, nice kayo ang ano.
Ayun, ganit po.
Ay, sorry, perfect. Random kayo.
Good afternoon! Welcome to Barangay Kaong, Subarangay, Siargao!
Welcome to Golden Legends. Rasi Nana.
Cute kayo mo tanaw. Gali. Face. Bangga aka sa imong auntie. Wala kay kayo vlog. Mag-chika lang pa later ha. Ganito makachika sis.
Downtime sa
Nakanina na lang no.
mag-chill na. Ito, ubos sa...
Don't block the driveway. Wait lang.
Ako nalintan, kikuan, pansin.
Sure. Pauso pod.
Heat stroke ang labas. First ball. Palo. Palo. Nice. Si Eya. Si Eya ni split. Eya Laure. Muni yang kuan fan ka.
Pwede na po. Guys, kanang abang guys, first time.
Mara mag-ball touch.
Guys, kailangan ng gamit.
One, two, three, smile. Close pa. Go, 1, 2, 3.
Rape the island. Oh, I love it. I love this.
Out of all what?
Out of all the islands that we've been to, I'd say this is like my number one. And then number 2 would have to be the Kataghan.
Kataw.
Kagwahan.
Kagwahan.
Kaugahan.
Kauga.
We just had
That's
our
Mixing of words.
That's the list.
list.
The list
The least.
or the
List.
list of
The list of islands you've been to here.
Yeah. Pasabot the list.
Abin og least and most ba? Abin og least and most. Nabitaw. Pero actually happy kay ko nga. Happy na. Random guys siya na.
Halikan. Siargao is the
Proof that
vibe.
I was here.
You
My
are
ghost.
broken.
What has been your greatest
Love.
Wait,
I conquered my fear of jumping.
Say, the best part of the trip,
Nakaida na fear di ay.
heights.
Water yun, but like, nakalunod kasi ko before.
Sige nga.
Ay mag-story time ta. Gamay.
Lagi, sige go. Story time.
Sige na, story time.
At TBH, bito kay ka nang kaka-overwhelm kung nga maka-travel na. promise. Feeling ko sa una magiging kay mahal kay ang travel labi na international pero
Actually, last year, ko naka-start of travel with friends.
visit mo first na ay visit kita man di ay
Tamang good.
Oh, grabe ka blessing nga makalaang grabe ma-experience ni mo even though di mo madala tangible things pero naagid siya part sa imo makaagi siya piece sa imo yun ito siya nga
Tiga
especially
travel.
nga go-work na pag ka din
This is the mango tree.
on money so
Like for me, like my greatest realization is what's this trip made it special. Other sa mga nakagala-gala ko is the people I'm with right now. It's like I've been traveling, like I promise, like I've been traveling either alone or with friends na I met online lang po. So, like experience lang. It's really nice to share good experience with good people.
timing tayong kami po na people ang napadpad ka sa amin.
And with that,
You've made it.
Hashtag, you made it.
Mo siya, picture mo ka. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye! See you next
Thank you for being with us in this journey.
trip.
Ah!